Hello. Welcome to Questions and Answers. This app lets your customers ask questions directly on your product pages, helping them make better buying decisions. Customers can also get instant answers using AI. When a question is asked, the app automatically shows a smart AI-generated reply. If needed, they can still submit the question to the store owner. You can manage everything from the dashboard, reply to questions, publish or unpublish them, edit or delete anytime, and filter by status to stay organized and in control. Track performance with built-in analytics, where you can see total questions, published questions, pending queries, and replies over time. Use AI analytics to understand common customer questions and get better insights into what your customers are asking. You can also import and export questions, manage categories, and organize everything in a clean and simple way. Connect with tools like Klaviyo and MailChimp to use customer data for better marketing and communication. Setup is simple and requires no coding. Just click the Enable Block button from the dashboard, open the theme editor, add the Q&A block to your product page, and click Save. Install Questions and Answers today and turn customer queries into better conversions and trust.